Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Is Kimi-AI the new AI king? Hi guys and welcome to another video. Today we're discussing Kimi-K 1.5. This model isn't open source, but the developers have shared a technical report and other resources. You can also use it for free on their website without any rate limits. Interestingly, it launched on the same day as R1. Kimi-K 1.5 is described as an O1 level multimodal model, which means it can process images and other data types, capabilities that R1 lacks. Let's dive in. So Kimi-K 1.5 has a short chain of thought performance, outperforming GPT-4o and Claude Sonnet 3.5 on AMI, Math 500, and Live Code Bench by a large margin. It also has long chain of thought performance and matches O1 across multiple modalities, including Math Vista, AMI, Code Forces, etc. It is also a reasoning model, and it's also trained with RL similar to R1. And you can have a look at the benchmarks here, where it beats O1 by a lower margin, while also beating Claude and more, which is great to see. In training, they have used long context scaling, which basically means that in the reinforcement learning approach, they upped the context limit to 128K, which led to better training. They also have an improved policy optimization, where they use the formulation of RL with long chain of thought and employ a variant of online mirror descent for robust policy optimization. It's also multimodal and is jointly trained on text and vision data, which gives it the capability of jointly reasoning over the two modalities. The model is not open source, as I had said, but you can try out on their platform and it's free there without any rate limits. You'll find two sets of models on their platform. There's the base Kimi model, which is simple and doesn't have chain of thought, and there's also the long thinking mode, which makes it think. So I'll be testing the long think mode, and let's test it out. So the first question is, what is the number that rhymes with the word we use to describe a tall plant? The answer should be 3. Let's run it. Now here's the answer, and it's correct. The next question is, name an English adjective of Latin origin that begins and ends with the same letter, has 11 letters in total, and for which all vowels in the word are ordered alphabetically. So the answer could be something like transparent. Let's run it. So here's the answer, and this is also correct. Next question is, Brian said that there were 48 people, but Nora said that Brian had overstated the number by 20%. If Nora was right, how many people were there? So the answer should be 40. Let's run it. So we have the answer right here, and it's also correct. Nice one. Next one is, I pick 3 oranges from a tree and buy 3 more at the market. I use 3 oranges to make juice. After drinking half of the juice, how many whole oranges do I still have? And let's run it. Here's the answer, and this is correct. The next question is, Jake has 4 uncles. Each of his uncles has the same one niece. How many nieces does Jake uncles have? So the answer should be 1. Let's run it. Now here's the answer, and it's also correct. Next question is, if a regular hexagon has a short diagonal of 64, what is its long diagonal? The answer should be 73.9. Let's click run. Now here's the answer, and this is correct. I have another question. So create an HTML page with a button that triggers a fireworks animation when clicked. You can use CSS and JavaScript. So let's run it. So here's the code. So if we run it, as you can see, it doesn't work. Next question is, create a playable synth keyboard using HTML, CSS, and JS. Let's run it. And here's the answer. So if we run it, as you can see, it doesn't work. The next one is, generate the SVG code for a butterfly. Let's set it. Now here's the answer. If we preview it, then it doesn't look good. The next one is, create a rotating 3D cube that continuously changes colors as it moves in 3D space using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's run it, and here's the answer. This works fine. So this is a pass. Now the final question is, write a game of life in Python that works on the terminal. And this is the result. So that is a pass too. So the result was quite good. I could say this model isn't particularly strong in coding, unlike DeepSeek R1, which excels in that area. That said, it handles general questions well, though it has a tendency to repeat tokens. The two most challenging questions require 3 or 4 generations, and in one instance, it managed to provide a correct answer without any glitches. While it's a decent model, it doesn't offer any advantages over DeepSeek R1. R1 is still the better choice with open ways and superior performance. You can use this model if you want, but I would have preferred it to be open source, which it isn't, and its APIs are currently unavailable. Although the model is solid, it doesn't bring anything new to the table, making it hard to see a specific use for it right now. At this stage, it's not very practical. But it's free and the research papers are impressive and contain some interesting elements, which is great. Overall, it's a cool project. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Level up your business with the power of multi-AI. All the best AI models at your fingertips, now and in the future without you having to pay another dime. 50 plus AI models and LLMs unlock unlimited capabilities. Get every AI in one place. Accomplish the simplest tasks like copywriting and image creations, as well as the most complex tasks like computing, analytics, and even coding. From the most popular to highly specialized and hard-to-get AIs, AI Collective has everything. Craft unique content using any AI you want. Talk to any AI like you talk to people in a chat room. Get your answers from all your favorite AIs and choose the best. Create beautiful and unique images for your marketing. Huge ready-made prompt library. Get AI employees and experts. AI Collective has dozens of ready assistants to work with you. Upload your documents and custom data. Generate, complete, and debug code. Use one AI with another. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get AI Collective now. Just go to getaicollective.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.